heading towards Death Valley Junction now. This is just the beginning of Death Valley. We're on, I think it's Route 190 now. We're going up to Death Valley Junction and we'll turn up through it then.
Watch out the cars. Oh, go, what's he doing? He's doing. Yay! Oh, he's satisfied. Look at his face. How was it? How was outside?
It's not that bad.
Oh, really?
It's only 10:30 in the morning. It's hot.
Yep.
But it's not like, whoa. How is it?
Hot.
It's a hot, dry wind now. Well, we're at the moment we're at one of the lowest points on Earth. This is Badwater here, Earth's lowest. And you can see the ridge this side of the valley, which is running thus. And you see the cars out there. And then you got the valley here and the ridge the other side. Mountains running that way. This is bad water here. So I guess that water is not good. It's bad. Standing here in Death Valley. This is Badwater pool here behind me. And I've reached a new low. This is the lowest I've ever been. This is a new low. So here we are in Death Valley. It says here the hottest temperature was 134 degrees on July 10th, 1913. Today it's over 120 degrees out here, right there, and this is in August, so it's pretty warm around here.